Hello and welcome to Philip's Thoughts. I'm Philip, and today I had the thought, what happens when you wake up in the morning and your kids want pancakes, but, frankly, you're tired. You don't want to stand there flipping pancakes for half an hour. How about if we just flip one pancake and knock it out in less than 10 minutes? So that's what we're going to do with today's video. We're going to make one pancake in a non-stick pan, and we're going to knock it out in less than 10 minutes. So everybody can have nice, delicious pancake for breakfast, and you're not going to spend that much time. So stick around, watch the video, and let me know what you think. Okay, as you can see here, we have just a few ingredients for our pancake. Again, we're just making one large pancake, but you can use this recipe if you wanted to make, the regular smaller size. To start off with, we have 1 cup of flour, and to that I'm just going to add about half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of sugar in there and a tablespoon of baking powder. Make sure it's baking powder, not baking soda. And we're just going to give that a quick whisk to get all those ingredients mixed up. Again, this goes pretty fast here. And then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add a milk. This is just 1 cup of milk. Okay. And then we're going to squirt in there about a tablespoon of oil. Just regular cooking oil. And then we have 1 egg here. I use extra large eggs myself. And I'm just going to put that in the cup there. And we'll scramble that up. Beat the egg a little bit. Get it in there. And we're going to go ahead and just stir all that together combined. And right here at the end, I'm going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon or so of vanilla. Just some pure vanilla extract. I'm going to go ahead and mix that in there. Okay, we're all mixed together. There are a little bit of lumps in there, and that's okay. That will not hurt anything. Now I've got my pan warming up under medium heat. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the camera, and then we'll get that going. Okay, like I said, we've got the pan under medium heat, and I'm going to go ahead and put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter in there, because we do not want our giant pancake sticking to the pan. This is a non-stick pan that I'm using, and I just find that that seems to work best. So go ahead and get that in there. Now for this pancake, I am using chocolate chips. You could use anything in here, really. You could throw some blueberries in. You could do, a half and half. You could do 1 half side blueberries, the other half side chocolate chips, or dice up some strawberries and put those in. Any kind of fruit will work in here. But for today, I'm going to go ahead and use chocolate chips because, hey, chocolate chips are yummy. Stir that around. We want the butter all up on the sides as well. Okay. And now I'm just going to go ahead and pour in our mixture. Use a rubber spatula, get all that out of the bowl. And then I like to just gently, very gently, kind of push it out towards the edges, because I don't want the center just, to be deeper than the sides. That way it cooks more evenly. And you can see around the edges there, it's already starting to cook up. So we're going to go ahead and add our chocolate chips, sprinkle those around. And you can add as many or as you like. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the lid on. And we're also going to turn the temperature down between low and medium low. And that's because we don't want to burn the bottom as the rest of the pancake is cooking. So we're going to let that go for about 5 minutes. And then we'll take a look and see how it's doing. And what you're going to see is that the batter is poofed up and everything. It's actually gone over top of the chocolate chips, so they're not just laying on top. They've kind of been incorporated inside there as it poofs up. So we'll come back in 5 minutes and see how we're doing. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, so let's take a look here. And you can see it's poofing up. The chocolate chips are, kind of working down into there. So let's give it a shake. Looks like we still might need to go a little bit longer on here. Still a little undone there on the side. So we're going to go ahead and just give it a little bit more time. We'll put the lid back on. That helps keep the heat in there and help it cook evenly. And we'll just give it another minute or so. Okay, a couple more minutes have gone by. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Doing a little bit better. I think we're good enough to flip. And, if you're really good at flipping pancakes, feel free just to do it one-handed. I like to do a little bit of help. I have a big spatula here, and that will help me hopefully keep the pancake all in the pan. So, kind of scoot that under there. Another reason we've got a lot of butter, make it nice and slippery. And now we're going to flip. Get that down, and then we're going to go ahead and put the lid back on and let that go for another minute or so. Okay, so we let that go a couple more minutes just to get the other side cooked on there. So let's go ahead and turn the heat off. And we're going to flip it over onto our serving platter. And there you go, one giant pancake ready for everybody to divvy up. And there you go, one nice fluffy pancake. And a lot easier, within 10 minutes we did that, instead of standing there flipping pancakes, turning out, a dozen or more pancakes for your family. You do one nice big one, and all you have to do is, cut it up into slices and add your syrup. Well, I hope you liked that video. I hope you liked seeing the pancake come together. There was a little bit of splash damage there. Just reminds me I need to make sure I'm wearing my apron when I'm cooking. Otherwise, things can get messy in the kitchen. So, hope you like that. Hope you like the recipe. Try it out. Let me know what variations you do. You're throwing banana into pancake, or you throwing strawberries. What are you tossing in there? Anything unusual? Love to hear it. And let me know how the recipe works out for you. As always, please like and subscribe. And let me hear your comments below, on what you think of this recipe, and if there's any others you'd like me to try out. Maybe there's something that you have in mind. Just let me know. Thank you. Till next time, keep thinking, guys.